this is where I'm staying. Check out this view. I'm at my friend's place. He has an apartment. So today I booked a catamaran tour and I hope to catch some good footage of some fishies. Actually, it's for, they specialize in turtles. So hopefully I'll get to see some turtles. But for now, this is just the intro. Goodbye. All right, I finally made it out of the house. So I think for now, I just want to walk around and explore Waikiki a little bit. I think I'm gonna get some Spam from a convenience store, Spam musubis, just to have on me. Okay, so let's walk around. The temperature is perfect. Bye. Made it. Haven't taken off yet. Made it just in time. I'm really excited. I'm back. I'm a land person. I'm not a water person. That was fun though.